So I am here at the Smith Park pump track outside of Boston with the all-new Arrma Mini Kraton 3S BLX. Haven't used this thing at all yet, but I figured while I'm in Boston, try this thing out. I'm going to be running it on 3S Lipos. Got these Ovonic 3000 milliamp hour 3S Lipos. They fit right in there perfectly. Completely stock. We're going to give this thing a rip all around this skate park. So here's the car, completely bone stock. I got the little dongle in there. Not really a big fan of the dongle, but we're going to run it on 3S full blast. Slide that body in there. Make sure we're on 100. I'm going to put my ABC at level 2. So this does have active vehicle control. Let's give it a go. Again, 3S. We'll trim this up a little bit. And this is an awesome skate park for this thing. Oh, this is gonna be sweet. Coming right at us. Good air control so far. And this thing is super grippy. We're gonna progressively get bigger with these jumps, don't worry. Oh my goodness. Nice little pump track. Let's go for it. Oh, our first backflip. Oh my goodness, this thing is the perfect pocket basher. I guess if you want to call it that. Oh, nosedive. Luckily it landed on dirt. I think we gotta hit that again. Oh! I messed that one up too. Pretty damn durable. All right, we gotta land this. Here we go. There we go. This thing is a little weapon. Took 2 big hits there. Oh, it handles those curves great. It's so planted. Woo. Now this thing should handle grass pretty well too. It is small, but oh yeah, it's got plenty of power. That's awesome. This thing is sweet. Beauty. Fast spin. Look at that. That's great. Boom. Little jumps and bumps. Super planted. I wonder if we can maybe clear some other stuff. Oh, that was perfect. Ooh, maybe I can get my Kamikaze RC on here. Nope. There we go. Hey! That was a sweet one. Boom! Love it. Oh, into the reverse, spin it around. This thing is a beast. Boom. Watch it hit these burns. I am absolutely loving this car. Oh no, my wheel! Oh no! That might just have ended our bash session early.
Twenty minutes later.
Alright, we are back. This is the part number that I picked up from Home Depot. Alright, we got a new location unlocked. Dirt track. Now this dirt is a little loose. Might have to turn the AVC up a little bit. Still running 3S. Oh. This car's handling it. We'll turn up the AVC to 75%. Oh yeah, this thing's dialed. I'm gonna keep it off the white lines here. It's quick. See if we can do a backflip off this. Nope. What a fun little car. And what also I'm noticing is nothing's getting stuck in the tires or in the drive shafts. It's really just stoking it all up. It handles great. It handles just like the bigger Kratons. It handles the grass fine. It is a little rocket ship. Ooh. That thing is dead straight too with the AVC. Wow. This thing's great. Woo. You can literally just turn it, floor it. Really getting some use out of these Ovonic batteries too. Ooh, that's how you blow a tire. Probably should have filled the holes for the tires before I brought it out here.
All right, so I got some good news and I got some bad news. Bad news, I broke the Mini Kraton. Actually, a couple things broke on the Mini Kraton, but the good news is Horizon The good news is Horizon warrantied everything. I reached out to them and I got replacement parts coming, but let me tell you what I broke. After my first bash session, both fans died on the Mini Kraton. Could have been from those big jumps landing bad. Not really sure. It seems to be an issue in the forums. A lot of people broke the fans. They just stopped working. Made sure it was the fans that was the issue and not the plug that they went into. Put in different fans and they work fine. So Horizon sent out 2 new fans, the motor fan and the ESC fan. And then the other issue that seems to be pretty systemic is I broke the pistons on 2 of the shocks. One of the other shocks, the C-clip blew out. You can watch Tom Lee's video. He goes in depth and shows you exactly where it breaks. The piston cracked, if you can see that. So 2 of the pistons cracked in 2 different shocks, and the bottom C-clip that goes on the actual shaft, that split apart. Sent pictures to Horizon. They're sending out replacement parts. I haven't gotten them yet, but in the meantime, I actually found some shocks on Amazon that were about $15 instead of the Horizon $40 shocks. The rears are a little shorter than the Arrma ones, and the fronts are a little bit longer, but still, they fit on there. You do have to do a little bit of modification to the shock towers, but I mean, these shocks are holding up all right, and for $15 instead of $40, they'll do the trick until the replacements come in. So I have to admit, the Arrma Mini Kraton is one of my new favorite mini bashers. If it wasn't for those shocks and the fans going out, I'd say this thing is pretty much perfect. I mean, it handles huge jumps. It's durable. Nothing else really broke on it. And I think time will tell if this chassis brace stays completely straight, or I might have to upgrade it to the M2C one that's coming out. Might be out already. I'm not too sure, but a speedy little 16th scale car, about 50 miles an hour on that chaos mode. So really good car. If you're looking for something in this price range and this type of basher, I think I'm going to bring this thing to Utah with me. It'll fit right in my backpack and have some fun in the dunes. So stick around for that video coming up very soon, and many more videos coming. I just got to get around to editing them. So thanks again for watching. We'll see you in the next one.